from Veerakesari, Tamil. Veerakesari.
What do you want me to do?
You just tell about you after your visit.
Yes, having visited Darga town today, we are actually shocked at the huge damage done to lives and property of people living here in this area. And it is obvious that the attacks were well coordinated with the active support of some of the armed forces, the STF, and even the other groups who were here. Houses of many people were very seriously damaged, and while these people looked on, many of the houses were robbed of all their belongings. And actually, when you look at the damage done, you can see that it was a well-planned, well-coordinated attack and not simply carried out by the thugs of the Budu Bala Sena. Actually, I would say that they had the active support of other sources higher up in the defense establishment. Because if you look at the houses, the way the ceilings have been burned, where the houses have been burned, where the mosques have been burned, you can see that these couldn't have been mere petrol bombs. They would have been something far more serious, far more effective than petrol bombs, and those things could only have been provided by the government. So it is obvious that the Muslim community living in Darga town had been victims of a conspiracy. But instead of trying to do justice to these people, now the government is trying to show that there are extremists on both sides. I can, as a member of parliament, it's very, very obvious to me, the extremists came from the government side, from the Sinhala side, and in fact, so far, the Muslim community, the Islamic community in this area have been very patient, and because of their patience, the peace, hopefully, has been restored in this area, and we request them, despite all these provocation, to continue being peaceful, and not to fall into the conspiracies of the Budu Bala Sena, who wants to create another Black July in this country to get rid of the Muslim community, like they did the Tamils in 1983.
What about the comments of Muslim ministers about this?
I don't want to comment on this. That is up to you all to comment.
The EMP have any decision to make about this incident to move into
any resolution?
No,
or
we have been, in fact, the very day it happened, the leader of the opposition made a statement, and I have been making statements, and next time Parliament meets, the UNP along with the JVP, we are moving a joint motion in Parliament about what is happening. So we will do everything possible in trying to keep the people aware of what really happened. But beyond that, I think it is up to the peace-loving people of this country, not only the Muslims, but the Sinhalese, the Buddhists, the Tamils, the Christians, etc., to now realize that who the true conspirators of this country are. And I again say it is the government who is now trying to break the peace of this country.
the government promised to make the houses and everything?
But nonsense, now they have, I heard in this area, in 2006, they have promised compensation. මම හිතන්නේ මෙහි වන්දි දෙනවා කියපු අන සමහර ඒවා 2006 දී තාම දීලා නැහැ. ඉතින් තාම දුන්නේ නැත්තම් දැන් දෙනවයි කියන එක අපිට විශ්වාස කරන්න කොහොමද?
අපදාතරම අමතයක් කිසි දෙයක් නැහැ මේ ගණපතියෝගේ තමයි.
ඔව්. ඒක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම බොරුවක්. අනිත් එක මේවට ඇවිල්ලා ඔක්කොම ඉස්සෙල්ලා ආණ්ඩුව රස පරීක්ෂකව වෙලා වෙච්ච ඇත්ත සිද්ධි හොයන්න. දැන් අද පැය දෙකක් ඉඳලා අපි මෙතන අහපු දේවල් ගැන අපි කම්පණයටපත් වෙනවා. වයසක ගුරු මහත්මයන්ගේ ගෙවල් වලට තනියෙන් කාන්තාවන් ඉන්න තැන් වලට ගිහිල්ලා 6-700 ගෙදර ඇතුළට ගිහිල්ලා අන්තිමට STF එකෙන් එළියට ගියයින් පස්සේ බුදු බල සේනාවේ මැරෙවෝ ඇවිල්ලා ගෙදර ඇතුළේ සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම සුද්ධ කරලා තියෙනවා. හොරකම් සුද්ධ කරලා ගිනි තියලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මේක දේශප්‍රේමයක් නෙමෙයි, මේක හොරකමක්. මේක මේ රටේ ජනතාවගේ මේ මුදල් සහ දේවල් පොල්ල කෑමේ ව්‍යාපාරයක්. ඒක නිසා තවදුරටත් බලන් ඉන්නේ නැතුව අපි නැවතත් කියන්නේ බුදු බලු මම ඒක හැම වෙලේම කියන්නේ බලු සේනාවයි කියලා එදා ඉඳන්ම 1000 අවුරුදු දෙකක් තිස්සේ ඕක වහාම තහනම් කරන්නයි කියන එක මම ඊයේ ප්‍රකාශයක් කරා. අද ඊයේ උදේත් නෝ ලිමිට් එකට ගිහිල්ලක් කරා. නමුත් දැන් ආණ්ඩුව කියනවා නෑ තහනම් කරන්න තරම් දෙයක් ඒගොල්ලන් කළා නැත.
එතකොට කතාව ඒ කරපු